Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम।
बेटा कौन सी क्लास में आ गए? Which class are you now in?
मैम 10th
नहीं, 10th.
Ma'am, 10th.
You coming 10th. So you know what does it mean being in class 10th? बताओ क्या important होता है class 10th? How is class 10th different from your previous classes? चलिए जल्दी से बताइए, आज थोड़ी बातें करते हैं पहले.
मैम
चलो
both
first class.
Ma'am, we are more sincere
Both.
in this class.
Oh, we are more sincere. Very good. कौन बोला ये?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Abhishek Sharma.
मैम ऑडी।
Abhishek Sharma. Oh my God, you will be sincere now? Sure? Promise?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me more. चलिए one by one.
Ma'am,
What is the
boards in 10th class.
boards in 10th class? Right? One more answer. Anybody else? What is different in class 10th? सारे सोचो
मैम
सोचो.
लॉट्स ऑफ सिलेबस।
Lots of syllabus. You are right here. Good, good. And anything else? Class 10th is different. I'll tell you how 10th is different. 9th was
Yes,
so
ma'am.
easy.
यस।
Ninth में तो पास हो गए बिना पढ़े लिखे भी. This was also one difference. Am I right?
यस मैम।
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Nobody came for classes. We kept calling you. You did not take our calls. And still, everybody is in class 10th now. Like class 10th, all students are in class 11th now, right?
यस मैम।
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Class 10th also, without giving exam only, they are all in class 11th.
मैम दे
Beta?
आर हैविंग अ गुड लक।
They're having a
Yes,
good luck.
ma'am.
I don't think you people will be so lucky. Because jab tak your turn will come, everybody will get vaccinated. Still 1 year is left. So
मैम कैन
you
बी।
will not be that lucky. You will have to give your exam.
मॉर्निंग मैम।
Good morning. You will also
Ma'am,
have to.
let's
You will
see.
have to give. Anju,
Ma'am,
let's
let's
see.
see.
नहीं, no. इतना खुश ना हो या. When your turn will come, you will have to write your exam. Still 1 year is left. So तब तक तो बेटा vaccination सबको हो जाएगा.
मैम क्या पता तब तक 4th 5th वेव आ जाए।
Ma'am, current 9th class is also lucky. Their boards are cancelled.
Oh, तब तक 4th या 5th wave आ जाए. This is what you are praying for, है? बहुत शैतान
नो
बच्चे.
मैम। मैम कैन
Ma'am,
बी।
only
मैम हो
Karthik.
सकता है।
नहीं बेटा, ऐसा नहीं बोलते हैं. Think of good. It's better कि हम लोग अच्छा सोचें. Why think about these things? So what I'm trying to say is, number one, I want everybody to attend classes. If you don't attend classes, I will come to your house and I will tell your parents what is going on. And when I come to your house, I will speak two things which are true and two things which are lies. कुछ समझ में आया मैं क्या कह रही?
यस मैम।
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
चलो, I will explain. Supposing you are not regular for the class. I'm talking about my class, okay? I'll come to your house. अब सच तो एक ही बात है. I have only one complaint that you don't come to my class. But if I'll come all the way to your house, I will not give only one complaint. I will give many complaints to your parents. ये तो 9th में भी ऐसे ही करते थे. ये तो अपना वर्क भी कभी कंप्लीट नहीं करते हैं. ये तो क्लास में भी रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं करते हैं. So what is all this? These are false things. But I will surely say all this so that when I come back from your house, you will have a party at home. समझ गए ना बेटा? Which party?
Yes,
यस
ma'am.
Yes,
मैम।
ma'am.
Parents वाला party. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So you want party?
Yes, ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
नहीं ना?
No, ma'am.
So beta, याद रखो, if you
ma'am.
don't want a party, you have to be regular for my classes. Otherwise, you know me
Ma'am,
very
only
well.
Bhumika want.
Bhumika wants a party, so I will find her address from the school office today. Bhumika,
Ma'am,
No,
7
ma'am.
Sindhu Nagar. Ma'am, 7 Sindhu Nagar.
chalo ठीक है, I will come then. How do you remember her address?
Ma'am,
You keep
because I
roaming
am
here.
his
Ma'am,
neighbor.
he's my neighbor.
Oh,
Ma'am-
that is why. Then to beta, if I come to your house, I will come to his house also for sure.
Okay,
If he is
ma'am.
the
Please
neighbor,
come.
then I will come to his house also. Then he will also have a party if Bhumika has a party.
Ma'am, most invited.
Okay. Chalo, most invited you keep me because if you're regular for classes. Chalo beta, jokes
Okay,
apart,
ma'am.
मजाक बहुत हो गया. What I'm trying to say is, please बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ना, ठीक है? I'm started with the simplest thing today, comprehension, and then I'll start with grammar in the next classes. जल्दी से पढ़िए, first 3 paragraphs. Start reading. Your time starts now. कोई बात नहीं करेगा, बिल्कुल focus करेंगे. How many paragraphs will we read?
Ma'am, 3.
3.
3. Very good. चलिए, जल्दी से पढ़ना start करिए. Very good. Whoever finishes reading, raise your hands.
Ma'am, what is Nilgiri?
It's a place.
Unseen passage में basically we will not tell you what exactly it is. You have to guess out yourself.
Ma'am,
Whenever
this
you
is from
have
class 9
information-
book, na?
Yes. Good. Who was this child?
Ma'am, Kartike Bhatt.
Kartikeya Bhatt. Thank God somebody studied class 9th. Very good, Kartikeya. Chaliye, please continue. Finish reading?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I am going to scroll down now.
Ma'am,
Just
done.
wait.
Ma'am,
Acha,
done.
acha, बहुत- Very good. Now which 2 paragraphs will you read?
Ma'am, 4th and 5th.
वेरी स्मार्ट चिल्ड्रन, बहुत बढ़िया. आप जीत गए, क्या बोलते हैं, आप जीत गए 1 करोड़. दिस इज व्हाट
Ma'am,
मिस्टर अमिताभ
दीजिए.
बच्चन says. Yes.
Ma'am, दीजिए. Ma'am, दीजिए.
हाँ, मिस्टर अमिताभ
तुमने
बच्चन
जीते हो.
says this ना. हाँ, अमिताभ बच्चन क्या
Yes, ma'am.
बोलते हैं? Yes.
1 crore.
आएंगे, अभी आ रहे हैं बेटा, अभी और क्वेश्चंस आ रहे हैं करोड़ वाले. We have down. Read quickly, 4th and 5th. Just tell me one thing. Shekhar Shah, was he present in the meeting earlier?
Yes,
Shekhar
ma'am.
Shah was. Acha, then ठीक है. It's okay, I'll admit him.
Ma'am, done.
Finish reading?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Everyone?
Ma'am, please wait.
Oh, sure. We'll wait for her, beta. Let's wait for her.
Ma'am, others are not responding.
Yes, ma'am.
Who are the others? Let me see. Okay, Abhishek Sharma, say good morning.
Ma'am, I am reading.
Present, ma'am.
Abhyuday is responding. Abhishek is responding. Who is this? Akshat Sharma. अच्छा ठीक है. Akshat Sharma, say good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
बढ़िया बढ़िया. Abhishek Sharma, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good. Abhyuday, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Abhyuday, what is good about the morning?
Ma'am, we are alive.
Oh, you are alive. Good. Aryan Maurya,
Good morning, ma'am.
are you singer?
Good morning, ma'am.
Ah, you are there. Bhumika Chandani,
Present, ma'am.
Akshat Kumar.
Present, ma'am.
Very good. Harshvardhan Singh.
Present, ma'am.
Good. Ishika,
Present, ma'am.
Kartikeya,
Present, ma'am.
Niharika,
Present, ma'am.
Ronit Patwari,
Present, ma'am.
Shekhar Shah.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Srishti Singh
Present, ma'am.
and Saida Fatima.
Present, ma'am.
That means you all are there. All of you are so good. So, beta, answer kariye, please. Okay. All of you are present. None of you is fooling me. Very good. Very nice class. बहुत ही बढ़िया. Everybody wins 1 crore. चलिए, let's start. I'm going to show you the questions. I'll give you time
Yes,
to prepare.
ma'am,
2
done.
3 minutes. Yes, good. चलिए, I'm going to scroll down now. Your time for the questions is here. चलो, first 2 questions. चलिए 3 करते हैं. Should we do 3? चलिए first करते हैं. पहले only the first one.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me. Look for the answer. Don't speak the answers. Search for yourself. Last में देखेंगे who gets the maximum correct answers. Note down somewhere. Mark your answers. The first one.
I'm done.
Yes. What about the
Ma'am,
others?
can we note only the ma'am,
Only the
A, B,
correct
C
answer.
type
Option A,
only?
B, C, D. Yes,
Okay.
only A, B, C, D. Let's move on to the second third, fourth, and fifth. Second, third, fourth, fifth. I'm marking your attendance side by side. You're doing the questions. Go up to question number 5. Just write the correct options. No need to write the answers.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of diverse?
Diverse means variety, but we are not supposed to tell you, beta, in comprehensions. You have to guess yourself. But anyway,
Okay, ma'am.
diverse means different, variety.
Does we have to also do sixth one?
We do fifth. Let everybody finish the fifth one. Acha, sixth
Yes,
is
ma'am,
visible.
the sixth one.
Visible on the screen. Do sixth also then. Do the sixth also. And once you finish all six, let me know. We'll have and then we'll discuss.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, let's wait for a minute for others as well.
Ma'am, done all 6.
Has everyone finished?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Does anyone want me to wait? No. Okay. Seventh and eighth, the only ones which are left. Finish it quickly. We'll discuss the answers. Seventh and eighth. Those who finish all 8, let me know.
Ma'am, done all.
ma'am. Can we see paragraph one more time?
Sure. Which part you want to see? Which paragraph, beta?
Ma'am, fourth or fifth?
Chaliye, no problems. I'll show you. See. Seen beta?
Yes, ma'am. Done all.
No, this child who wanted to see the paragraph.
Yes,
Should I
ma'am.
go
Me
down?
only. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Chaliye, I'll go down to the questions now. Last 2 minutes. If anybody wants to see any question, any passage, paragraph, tell me. Then I'll start discussing the answers after 2 minutes. Anybody, please take your time. Last 2 minutes, finalize your answers. Then I'll ask you by name.
And
Okay?
can we
Very
post
good.
answers on group?
You can do that as well. That would be very nice. So when I say post, everybody will post on the group. Fine. That way it would be good. I'll also get to know how many of them have genuinely answered. That would be nice. Chali, another 1 minute. Check up your answers. All of you, please post your answers on the group. Good suggestion. And then I'll start discussing the answers. Hurry up, post your answers. Hurry up, start posting. And whoever posts, tell me, ma'am posted.
Ma'am, post.
Come on, tell me, posted, whoever is posting.
Ma'am,
Say, ma'am
posted. Ma'am, posted.
2. Others? Hurry up, there were 17 of them in the class. What about others? Hurry up, I want the answers.
Ma'am, posted.
Good. Good idea. Yes, tell me quickly.
Ma'am, posted.
Good. Last 1 minute. Post. Let's discuss the answers. Fine. The first one.
Ma'am posted.
Good. Now tell the answers. On the basis of your reading the passage, answer the following questions. Jamaica is most famous for. Tell the answer.
Ma'am, sprinters and
Sprinters and
marathon
marathon
runners.
runners.
Very good. Excellent. Sprinters and marathon runners. The best and the cheapest time to visit Negril are between
Ma'am,
Mid-November
mid-November and
November and
December.
and
mid-December.
December.
Ma'am mid-November and December.
D option, November
November
and
and mid-December.
very good. The guides and the deep sea divers at Negril are experienced and knowledgeable. True or false?
Ma'am, true.
Ma'am true.
Very, very good. Negril Beach offers great scope for adventure sports.
True.
True.
True? Sure.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Negril
ma'am.
Beach, बहुत बढ़िया. Your class is very good. Negril Beach does not have a diverse ecosystem.
False.
False.
Very good. Jamaica is a dash island.
Ma'am,
Caribbean.
Very good, very good, very, very good. Caribbean island. Everybody is winning 1 crore today. The calm and serenity of the Negril Beach offers one the time for
Self interest.
Self introspection.
बहुत ही अच्छे. Self introspection. Till now you got all answers correct. Find a word from the passage which means the same, to think deeply about something.
Ma'am, self introspection.
No.
Contemplate.
Contemplate. Excellent. Who gave this answer?
Bhumika.
Bhumika. It is contemplate. Very good. Now all of you will read the first paragraph alone. I am asking you a question. Which word in the paragraph means the same as peaceful? Look for the first paragraph. Para 1, which word means peaceful?
Ma'am, calm.
Very good. Who gave this answer now?
Ma'am, Kartikeya.
So 1 point Kartikeya has got extra compared to other students, and 1 point Bhumika has got. Yes, Bhumika? Now
Yes.
be ready for my next questions. Kartikeya, Bhumika is 1-1. Others are still to come in now. Which word in the first paragraph means to come together in a group?
Ma'am, please repeat.
Which word in the first paragraph means to come together as a group?
Ma'am, flock.
Flock. Oh, that boy, give me the first answer. Who was it again, Kartikeya?
Ma'am, Kartikeya. Yes, ma'am.
So Kartikeya is leading now with 2 points. Others, please increase your speed now. Next one. I'm moving on to the second paragraph. Which word in the paragraph means transparent?
Ma'am, pleasant.
No. Anybody? Which
Clear.
word?
Clear.
Yes, very good. Transparent, the word we have synonym is clear. Who gave this answer?
Bhumika.
Yes. So 2 points each. What about others? Nobody is speaking. Kartikeya and Bhumika only. Next one. Which word in the third paragraph means variety?
Ma'am, diverse.
Diverse.
Very good,
Diverse.
Kartikeya. Kartikeya gave the answer first. So 3 points for Kartikeya again. Next one. Which word in the paragraph 3 means to have fun?
Ma'am, enjoy.
Yes, enjoy. Who gave this answer?
Ma'am, Akshat Kumar.
Yes, so 1 point for him. So 3 people in the race now. Okay, next one. Which word in the paragraph means very rare?
Cheapest.
Exotic.
No, exotic. Yes, who gave this answer?
No, Harshvardhan.
Harshvardhan. Harshvardhan also joins the race with 1 point. The word is exotic. Too good. Which word in the fourth paragraph means to find more about?
Ma'am, explore.
Ma'am, snorkeling.
Very good. Explore. I
To
think
explore.
Bhumika, you gave the first answer.
Yes, ma'am. Explore.
Yes, it is explore. Now, how many points you have?
3.
Okay. And Kartikeya, you had?
Ma'am, 3.
3. Harshvardhan was there with?
1 point.
1?
Yes, ma'am.
Harsh, you were there with 1 point.
Yes, ma'am.
And there was one more. Ayush or Akshat, who was it?
Ma'am, Akshat.
Akshat with 1 point. So we have 4 people in the race. Please, chalte raho. Very good. Try to win. Next one. Okay. Which word? Ari, this has gone from the screen, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll try to put it back. Just give me 1 sec. I'm trying to put it back, but by the time, let's have the scores once again. Tell me your scores, individual scores apart from the class score.
Ma'am, 3.
Oh,
Ma'am,
mil
one.
gaya, mil gaya. 2 people with 3 each and 1 with 1, right?
Yes,
2 with
ma'am.
1.
2 with 1 and 2 with 3.
Yes, ma'am.
This only, no?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let me continue. Next. If this part is not coming on the screen, let me ask a grammar question. We'll add on the scores. Let me ask a grammar question by the time. Ram and Sham like to dash in the garden. Play or plays?
Ma'am, play.
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 Ma'am, play.
Oh, the
Play.
first one was this boy. Who was it?
Kartike.
Harshvardhan.
Kartikeya and Harshvardhan spoke together, so they get 1 point each. Now we've got the PDF back. So the next question is, ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Somebody very good at his work. Paragraph 4. Somebody very good at work. Paragraph 4.
Professional.
Professional. Ocean floor.
Yes, it is professional. Correct. Who gave the answer first?
Ma'am, Harshvardhan.
Ma'am, Ronit Patwari.
Harshvardhan and
No, ma'am,
Ronit. Both of you get Harshvardhan and Ronit get 1 point each. Now we are moving on to the next one. Which word in the paragraph 4 means help?
Ma'am,
Help.
tense.
Help.
assistant.
Assistance.
Offer.
Very good. No. Assistance. Who gave the first answer?
Ma'am, Akshat Kumar.
अक्षत. चलिए बहुत बढ़िया, आप बहुत अच्छा आगे चल रहे हैं. So please add on how many points now?
Ma'am, 2.
Fine. Which word in the paragraph 4 means enjoyful?
Ma'am. Ma'am,
Mhm. Please.
exhilarating.
Exhilarating.
Exhilarating. God. But that boy spoke first. Later your answer came. Who is this child again?
Ma'am, Kartike.
Kartike. Kartike, how many points now?
Ma'am, 5.
Okay, now all of you gear up your seat belts. अब जल्दी से, we hardly have time. देखते हैं किसका सबसे आगे चलता है. Which word in paragraph 5 means the land close to a sea?
Beach.
Very good. Beach. Who was this child?
Bhumika.
Bhumika. How many points now?
4.
4. Next question. Which word in paragraph 5 means purity?
Ma'am, please repeat.
Which word in paragraph 5 means purity? P-U-R-I-T-Y.
Serenity.
Beautiful.
Serenity.
Serenity. I already got the answer. Who gave this answer? Serenity.
Ma'am, Harshvardhan.
Very good. Harshvardhan, what's your score now?
Ma'am, 4.
Very good. Which word in paragraph 5 means to think deeply?
Self.
Connect with
Self-introspection.
yourself.
Self-introspection.
Connect.
Ma'am, self-introspection.
Self.
No. Self-introspecting is to think about oneself. I'm asking
Connect
which
with
paragraph?
yourself.
No. To think deeply.
Ma'am, ponder.
Anyone? Ponder. बहुत बढ़िया. Very good. Ponder. Who gave this answer?
Ma'am, Kartike.
Kartike. Very good. Too good. Last question. Which word in the last paragraph, 5th paragraph, means among nature?
Lap of nature.
Ma'am, lap of nature.
Lap
Lap.
of nature.
Lap of
Yes.
nature.
Lap of nature. So can we have the scores very quickly?
Yes, ma'am.
Chaliye. One by one, tell me your scores, all of you. Start.
Ma'am, 6.
6 is Kartike.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, who is next? One by one.
Five.
Ma'am, Harshvardhan, 5.
Harshvardhan 5. Very good. You started
Make
off
up
8.
5.
Bhumika also 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Harshvardhan 5. Bhumika 5. Kartike 6. Who all next? Come on, tell me your scores.
Ronit 2.
Ronit 2, बहुत बढ़िया. You started off a little late. If you would have started earlier, you could have also got the same score. Yes, there were more people. Come on.
Ma'am,
Akshat
Akshat
was
2. Ma'am,
Yes,
2.
Akshat at 2. Akshat and Ronit, you started a little late. Otherwise, you did very well. Anybody else with any scores? No. So today's winner is? Who is today's winner?
Karthik.
Karthikeya.
Karthikeya. So who wins 1 crore?
Nobody.
Karthikeya.
Everyone.
Karthikeya.
Everyone.
Karthikeya. Really, Karthikeya. Everyone, of course, wins only because everybody gave correct answers. And second position, we had Bhumika and
Harshvardhan.
Ma'am, Harshvardhan.
very good, very good. You people did very well. And at third position, we have Ronit and
Akshat.
Akshat.
yes, Ronit and Akshat. Too good, beta. You people have done well. I just wanted you to come back to studies back because we've been out of touch for a long time. That is why I started with comprehension and a very simple part of comprehension. I'll be starting with grammar and writing section soon. Okay. I just wanted you to connect back to studies. So I started with the simple and your response was very good, children. You remember you have to be regular?